In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp if it keeps crashing. First, check whether WhatsApp is experiencing a server outage. Open any web browser and search WhatsApp down or WhatsApp server, then open any reliable website such as Down Detector and check if there is any issue. If there is a server outage, then you simply want to wait until they fix this problem. Now, if there is nothing wrong with the server, then the next thing you want to do is open the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar. Here search WhatsApp. If you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve crashing issues. If WhatsApp is already up to date and still crashes, then you want to open your device settings. Here, scroll down and find Apps, tap on it. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Scroll down and locate WhatsApp from here. Now tap on Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. If that doesn't help, you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Reinstalling removes corrupted app files and installs a fresh copy of the app, which can resolve persistent crashes. Once you've completed these steps, open WhatsApp again and check if it's working normally. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.